Okay, let me show the solution. I have written over here in the books of Rajasthan Trading Company journal, serial number, particulars, debit and credit. Okay, this is your journal and we'll start with the first point. First point will be, we have to read the problem. Rajasthan Trading Company issued 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. Payable rupees 2 on application. So we are receiving rupees 2 on application on 10,000 shares. So first we have to write always bank account. Bank account will always come first if application is required. Examining application and start कर सांगला नाला bank पहिली येतली. So bank account debit to equity share application account being 10,000 shares being being application money on 10,000 shares at a rate of rupees 2 each received. This word is important. We have received it, bank account. So that is bank account. So 10,000 multiply by 10,000 multiply by 2 करीतला amount कितना था 20,000. So this much only you have to write. 10,000 multiplied by 2 because application money is rupees 2. Now you have to write, then you draw a line over here. Then second entry is the transfer entry. What do you have to write? Equity, just opposite of that. Equity share application. You have to bahar these entries again and again. I am telling. Application account DR to share capital account. So amount kitla tha 20,000. Same amount. The amount which I have received, we are transferring to share capital. So being application money transferred to share capital. So these two entries are with application. First one is bank entry, second one is share capital entry. You remember like this. You have to pass. Now in the allotment you have to write share capital entry first and then bank entry. So here premium is there, so you have to be careful. You have to write the same entry, equity share allotment account DR to share equity share capital account, equity share capital account. I didn't write here equity, write equity over here. Okay, equity share capital account. Now additional will be to securities premium account. Okay, always remember this. When securities premium is there with allotment entry, same entry will come, but the additional securities premium will come. Now you write the narration. Being allotment money due on 10,000 shares. See, I have told you now, we have received rupees 5. In this 2 rupees are included as premium. That you minus, so allotment money is 3. So I will write 10,000 shares at a rate of rupees 3 on allotment and rupees 2 on 2 as premium. This will be important because to find out the amount it becomes easy. Now see how to find the amount. You take for share capital, what you have to do, the amount which is there on allotment. So here what we have to do is 10,000 multiply by 3 allotment money you have to take, and for premium we have to take 10,000 multiply by 2. This is a working note you have to do in pencil. Okay, for share capital amount you have to take the actual allotment money, that is 10,000 multiplied by 3, and 10,000 multiplied by 2 will be the premium. As I told you, in the problem it is given C. In the problem it is given C. Rupees 5 on allotment including premium. So rupees 5 on allotment including premium means premium rupees 2 munundila problem anway. We have issued a share of rupees 10 each at a premium of 2. So premium is 2. Write this rough work, okay? It's a premium of 2. So 5 function don't kalle allotment ache kitle 3. So right here in the credit side first, this will be 30,000 and this will be 20,000, and total of this will be 50,000. And automatically if you see 10,000 multiplied by 5 is 50,000. So allotment money we are receiving 50,000, but it is divided into two parts, that is share capital and securities premium. This is very important while doing your calculation. If you do like this, what I have told you, your answer will come correct. So you have to write here, allotment money due on 10,000 shares at a rate of rupees 3 on allotment and rupees 2 on 2 as securities premium. How we got? You have to do like this. Okay. So now you have to write the bank entry, bank account debit to this, directly reverse entry only, equity share allotment account. Now here securities premium will not come because we are receiving that money, and the amount is how much? ए जगड़ा असानु allotment नगड़ा तो दंगा गया 50,000. So being, this is easy, being allotment money received. Okay, finished. The last two calls we are not going to make, so you have to do the totaling. Gross total, it comes to 1,40,000. Okay, total is very important. So for exam it is mostly asked for 4 marks. You may be asked like this. Okay, or sometimes they start from allotment and first call. They do not ask application. So you should know how to write the entry. So for application always bank entry comes first, share capital second, and for allotment share capital comes first, bank entry comes second, and first call also share capital first and bank account. Okay, whenever there is securities premium you have to do it with allotment due entry, and if there is discount it will come on the debit side. Okay, this I am taking the next problem. Okay, hope you have understood this what I have explained. Thank you.